Hi children, today we will do exercise 8.2 question number 5. Now move to the first question. Let the find the whole quantity if 5% of it is 60. We have to find the whole quantity, and what is given, the 5% of it is 60. We don't know what is the whole quantity. So what you have to do children, let take the whole quantity. Let the whole quantity be x. Let the whole quantity be x. Whole quantity be x. We took a variable for that. Okay. So we don't know what is the whole quantity. What is given there in the question? We have to find the whole quantity, and 5% of the whole quantity is 600. So how will we find the answer? 5% of it is 60. That means 5% of whole quantity is 600. 5% of whole quantity we took it as x. So 5% of x is equal to 600. 5% of x is equal to 600. 5% means what? 5 by 100. Of means what? Multiplied by x is equal to 600. 5% of x is equal to 600. That means use your transposing method. That means take this here, the 100 is division here, take that to add that side. So what will happen? 600 into 100. This 5 is multiplication here, so it will come division here, transposing method. Okay, so 600 into 100, what is the answer? 60,000 divided by 5. 60,000 divided by 5, what is the answer? 60,000 divided by 5 is equal to 12,000. So what does it mean children? 60,000 divided by 5 is 12,000. So what is the meaning? 5% of 12,000. 5% of 12,000 is 600. 5% of 12,000 is 600. 5% of 12,000 is 600. I hope it's clear now. So we don't know what is the whole quantity, so we took the whole quantity as x. So 5% of x is equal to what? 600. And we know that 5% means what? 5 by 100. Of means what? Multiplied by x equal to 600. Either you can find the lowest term of this fraction and do the transposing method, that also okay. So otherwise just take the transposing method and find out the answer directly. Okay. So what is the meaning of this question? 5% of 12,000 is rupees 600. I hope this answer is clear. Now move to the next question. 12% of it is rupees 1080. Here also what? We don't know what is the whole quantity. So we took the whole quantity as x. Whole quantity we are taking it as x. Whole quantity we are taking as x. Whole quantity we are taking it as x. So 12% of x is rupees 1080. 12% of the whole quantity is rupees 1080. So how will we find what is the whole quantity? So how much is the whole quantity? That means 12 by 100 into of means multiplication into x is equal to 1080. That means just do the transposing method children. X is equal to 1080 into 100 by 12. Our transposing method. Okay. So 1080 divided by 12. What is the answer? 90. Use the shortcut method. 90. 90 into 100. What is the answer? 9,000. So what does it mean children? What does it mean? 12%. What does it mean children? 12%. What does it mean? So 12% of rupees 9,000. 12% of rupees 9,000 is rupees 1080. 12% of rupees 9,000 is rupees 1,080. I hope this answer is clear. We don't know what is the whole quantity, so we took that whole quantity as x. X means an unknown variable. We have to find the value of that particular variable, okay. So we are using the transposing method and we got the answer 9,000. And what does it mean, children? 12% of rupees 9,000, 12% of rupees 9,000 is rupees 1,080. I hope this answer is clear. Now move to the next question. 40% of it is 500 kilometer. We don't know what is the whole thing. So we are taking it as x. That means 40%. Instead of x, if you want, you can take other variables also, no problem. So 40% of x is equal to 500. That means 40% means what? 40 by 100 into x is equal to 500. Use the transposing method. X is equal to 500 into 100 by 40. Okay, cancel 1 0. What you will get? 100 divided by 4. 104. What is the answer? 25. So 50 into 25. What is the answer? 1,250. 1,250. So what does it mean, children? 40% of 1,250 kilometers is 500 meter. Or you can say 500 kilometer is 40% of 1,250. So what does it mean? So 40% of 1,250 kilometer is 500 kilometer. Or you can say 500 kilometers 40% of 1,250 kilometer. I hope this answer is clear. So 500 kilometer is 40% of 1,250 kilometer. I hope it's clear now. Now move to the next question. 70% of it is 14 minutes. Here also we don't know what is the whole quantity. So we are taking it as 70% of x is equal to 14 minutes. 14 minute. That means 70% means what? 70 by 100. Of means what? Multiplication. X is equal to 14. Just cancel 1 0. You will get 7 by 10. Again use the transposing method. X is equal to 14 into 10 by 7. That means just shortcut method. What is the answer? 2 into 10 is 20 minute. So 70% of 20 minute is what? 14 minute. 70% of 20 minute is 14 minute. I hope these answers are clear now. How to find out the answer? We don't know what is the whole quantity. You can instead of the whole quantity, you can take it as a variable and find out the whole quantity. Or use the transposing method. You will get the answer 20 minute. That means for 70% of 20 minute is 14 minutes. I hope this answer is clear, and do the next question as homework. 8% of it is 40 liters. Do this question as homework. It will be more clear for you. That's all for today. Thank you.